using only your sandwich bag from your lunch.
This is a really simple trick that only requires a zip-lock plastic bag, extra sharp pencils, and water. So first, what you need to do is you're going to have to fill the bag with 3/4 of water. Then, you just pierce the pencils through the bag, like this. Do not push too hard, but yeah.
Now you must be wondering, how is this possible? The truth is that the plastic bag is made of polymer. Its molecules are flexible and the tip of the pencils can easily slip between and push apart the molecules. It will form a temporary seal against the edge of the pencil and prevents the water from leaking out. Hey guys, I want to pull off a prank on Geraldine. Want to help me? Here's what we need. 1 liter bottle, a permanent marker, a sharp push pin, or you can use a compass, water, and a towel. Firstly, wash and clean the bottle. Don't forget to peel off the labels off the bottle. Next, fill the bottle with water till its top. Next, write on the bottle, do not open the bottle, to prank someone. Now finally, slowly punch holes through the bottom of the bottle 2.5 centimeters away from it. Now after punching holes through the bottle, do not squeeze too hard or that's what's gonna happen. Hey Gerald, I've got something for you. Find something unusual about this bottle.
There's nothing wrong with this bottle.
Stop it, I'm red.
It's very funny, Tasha. It's very funny, isn't it?
Well, wondering what's wrong with the bottle? Well, there's nothing wrong with the bottle. But here's the science bit. When you pour water into the empty bottle, air molecules will rush out of the bottle. When the bottle is uncapped, air pushes down the water and the water will squirt through the holes. If it's one thing I eat every day, it's eggs. From sunny side up to hard boiled. Oh, I'm craving for eggs right now.
Speaking of eggs, I have found a way to make it see-through. To do this, we're going to need raw eggs, a tall glass of jar. You can just reuse an old mayo jar like we did, and vinegar.
So this is pretty simple. All you need to do is place an egg into a jar and cover it with vinegar.
So you have to leave it for 24 hours. The next day, you're going to have to change the vinegar. Then you're going to leave it again for a few more days.
As you can see from the egg, the shell is completely gone, making the egg having a translucent effect. When you add the vinegar to the egg, bubbles of carbon dioxide is formed. Vinegar contains acetic acids, which will react with the egg shell that's made up of calcium carbonate. This reaction will produce calcium acetate, water, and carbon dioxide. So now, the outer shell of the egg is gone.
Tasha, would you believe me if I say I can touch this can of water?
No, that's crazy.
Well, I'll prove it.
Prove it then.
Okay. First, you fill a tank with cold water. The colder the better. And then you fill the can with 1 tablespoon of water. And then you put it on the stove and you turn on the stove.
An electric stove.
I know that. So you let it boil until it boils.
It starts bubbling.
As you can see, it's already boiling and water vapor is rising. So you need to boil it for 1 more minute.
After you hear bubbles.
There's still 30 seconds left, so this step is really fast. You must use the tongs, grab the bottom of the can, and then you just plunge it in the water upside down. Do not hesitate. As you can see, can imploded.
Wow, how is this possible?
Before heating, the can will soak water and air. During boiling, water will turn to water vapor and will push the air out of the can. When the can was set upside down, the water vapor will turn back to water, but then it's only a drop or two of liquid. Since a small amount of water vapor won't exert much pressure, the air pressure will push the outside of the can and will result to this.